Hi y'all, welcome back to another week of amazing Publix deals. We've got some really great things going on at Publix this week. Make sure you've clipped your digital coupons. Make sure you've downloaded Ibotta. We're getting over $20 back just in Ibotta rebates, tons of BOGOs. I actually did print some coupons, so make sure your printer is available too. Let's go. First up, we're going to grab 2 of these Florida Natural zero sugar lemonades. They're my husband's favorite, as you guys know. There aren't any digital coupons or rebates for them, but they're a really great deal. So I went ahead and grabbed 2, and they're 2 for $5. Next up, Body Armor is on sale this week, 2 for $12. I think Powerade is also on this same deal, 2 for $12, but my son loves this Body Armor. So I grabbed 2, paid the $12 at the register, submitted over to Ibotta. They gave me $2 back on each, so that's $8 for both or $4 a piece. Kellogg's Pop-Tarts are BOGO this week for $3.50, and if you pick 2 up, you can use the $1 off of 2 printable coupon from the Kellanova website. So that's what I did. I picked up 2. I paid $3.50 at the register, gave them my coupon for $1 off of 2, so that left me to pay $2.50 for both or $1.25 each. Kellogg's Special K Triple Berry cereal is BOGO this week for $8.19. I did find a $1 off Peely coupon on another box and submitted over to Ibotta. They're going to give you $2 back on each, leaving you to pay $3.19 for both or $1.59. This is one of our Moneymaker deals of the week. Even if you don't drink Splenda, grab this deal. You're going to pick up 2 of these Stevia Splendas, the 100 count for $7.19. There is a printable coupon for $2.50 off on coupons.com. I printed that coupon twice, so that left me to pay $2.19 at the register. I'm going to submit over to Ibotta. They're going to give me $5 back. Again, $2.50 on each. That's going to be a $3.81 Moneymaker. You're also going to submit over to Fetch, and that's going to give you $1. That's going to be a $4.81 Moneymaker. Cheez-It crackers are on sale this week, 2 for $6. There is a printable coupon and a digital coupon, and you can use both of them because you're buying 2 products. So that left me to pay $4 for both at the register or $2 a piece. These Gatorade waters are buy 2, get 2 free, and there is a digital coupon or a printable coupon depending on whether or not you clipped it. So I picked 4 up and got 2 of them for free. I used a printable coupon. I had 2 of them, so that gave me $2 in savings. I paid $2.98 for 4 or 74 cents a piece. This Airwick deal is our other Moneymaker deal of the week. We can pick up one of these Airwick warmers for $4.99. Use the digital coupon for $4 off. That's going to leave you to pay 99 cents at the register. Submit over to Ibotta. They're going to give you $4 back, which is a $3.01 Moneymaker. Raid products are BOGO this week. I picked up 2 of these ant baits. They are $3.99 a piece, but they're BOGO, so I only paid $3.99 at the register. I submitted over to Ibotta. They gave me back $1 on each. That left me to pay $1.99 for both or 99 cents each. Clorox is on sale again this week. I know we got some last week, but I picked these up. They are 2 for $5, and if you didn't use your digital coupon, you can use the $1 off. I used it last week, so I printed one off of coupons.com. That left me to pay $1.50. Springer Mountain Farms chicken is on sale this week, 2 for $7. I had 2 printable coupons that they sent me in my email if you sign up on their website for $1.50 each. So I picked up 2 packages. I used both coupons. That left me to pay $4 for both or 2 apiece. My daughter was so excited when I came home with these. She said it's been forever since we've had ice cream cones. They are on sale this week for $2.40. There is a digital coupon in the app for $1 off, leaving you to pay $1.40. These are a really quick, easy breakfast for my kids in the morning. There isn't a digital coupon or Ibotta rebate, but they are on sale this week for $5.89, and they are BOGO. So you're going to pick 2 up, pay $5.89 for both, or $2.94 a piece. If you still have your 10 off of 30 Conagra coupon, you can use them this week on these frozen products. I don't even know how to say it, so I'm not going to, but I picked 4 up for $6.29, and I picked 2 up for $4.59. Total before the BOGO is $34.34. After the BOGO sale, that's $17.17. That digital coupon for $10 did come off at the register, leaving me to pay $7.17 for all 6 or $1.19 a piece. I picked up this Coppertone sunscreen for $10.99. There is a digital coupon for $3 off. It did not come off for me at the register, but it gave me a sale price for $3 instantly. So I must have missed something somewhere, but either way, If you pick one up for $10.99, $3 for either the sale or the digital coupon will come off. There is a hang tag that you can find on some of these products, and I had one for $1 off. So that left me to pay $6.99 at the register. I submitted over to Ibotta for $2 back, leaving me to pay $4.99. Hopefully you still have your 7 off of 2 Axe coupon because they're on sale this week, plus an instant savings. I picked up 3 of these deodorants, and that would normally cost me $15 with the sale. $5 is going to come off instantly. I had that digital coupon for $7 off, leaving me to pay $3 for all 3 or $1 a piece. Colgate mouthwash is on sale this week, and there is a digital coupon. If you pick 2 mouthwash up for $2.99, that's going to equal you $5.98 at the register. That digital coupon for $3 off is going to come off, leaving you to pay $2.98 for both, or $1.49 a piece. All right, y'all, let's take a look at our receipt. This is everything we got today at Publix. We paid $74.77 after all of our digitals and our printables came off. We saved $116.24. We submitted over to Ibotta. They gave us back $21.15 for their rebates. We also submitted over to Fetch. They gave us back $1 for the Splenda and a 25-cent bonus for the Clorox. So total for all of our products that we got today, we paid $52.37. We saved $138.64 for 37 items. That's roughly $1.41 a piece. Huge week, tons of deals, 2 Moneymakers. We got all of these products. I think it's a really great week. I hope you guys get to Publix and get some of these deals. Let me know what you pick up. I'm so excited that you're gonna save so much money this week. Thank you again for coming back and watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week.